What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to factory reset your Epson EcoTank ET-2960 series printer. The first thing we're going to need to do guys is to go onto our control panel here and make sure our printer is on and ready to reset. So guys, I do want to note that this will work for any Epson EcoTank printer that has a control panel. This factory reset, what it will do, it will reset all of the data and settings from your EcoTank. It will get rid of your Wi-Fi, your print settings, everything like that. It will restore it to the most factory reset that it can possibly get. So to do that guys, we want to go over to our screen here and we want to scroll along as I'm doing and we want to find settings. So we want to press OK and we want to scroll down guys to restore default settings. Press OK again and then go to clear all data and settings. Press OK again guys and then press OK once more and it's going to restore everything guys. So we have to restart the printer to continue. So we're going to turn our printer off by pressing the off button here, press OK. And guys, whilst that's happening, I do just want to mention that this won't actually like fully reset your printer. It will just reset all of the data and settings. So you won't have a Wi-Fi connection anymore. You're gonna have to set that up again. And if you do need some help setting up some of the things that do reset, then guys, check out the video down below. I do have a full guide for setting up the Wi-Fi and everything alike. So guys, we're going to press the on button once more. And as we can see, our printer has reset. So we're going to have our language setting. We're going to press OK. And we're going to participate in the future design of Epson products. I'm going to say check later. I don't want to do that. Because that basically means, guys, they're going to take all of your data. That is a fancy word of saying, give me data so I can sell it. This post use the following network functions to send data. Okay, I'm going to press OK for these. And then we're going to press allow. And then that's it. Your printer is network and factory reset. That is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If this did help, don't forget to like and subscribe. That would help us out so much. If you do have any questions, guys, feel free to leave a comment down below. We'll help everyone out as soon as we can. We love helping you guys out. We love helping you guys use your printers. That is what we are all about. But that's it for today, guys. If you guys also need any printer supplies, paper, ink, anything like that, guys, check out our sponsor in the description, guys. We have a sponsor from a worldwide shipping and printer supply company. They are really good, guys. They ship worldwide at really good and fair prices, and you'll be helping out a small business, guys, and you'll be helping out us. Just remember, guys, don't buy everything off Amazon. Jeff Bezos doesn't need any more money. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.